Dear students, our topic meaning of definition of cortices. Average refers to the central tendency of a series. Dispersion refers to the spread of the items on either side. Some measures of central tendency. The measure of shape involves two characteristics. One called skewness, which refers to the lack of symmetry of a series, and other called cortices, which refers to the extent to which a unimodal frequency curve is peaked. In other words, cortices is a measure that refers to the peakedness of the curve. Cortices in Greek means budginess. In statistics, cortices refers to the degree of flatness and peakedness in reason about the mode of a frequency curve. The degree of cortices of a distribution is measured relative to the peakedness of a normal curve. Definition of cortices. According to Croxton and Cowden, a measure of cortices indicates the degree of to which a curve of the frequency distribution is peaked or flat topped. According to the Clark and Sketch, cortices is the property of a distribution which expresses its relative peakedness. In other words, of CH Mayers, the word cortices refers to the degree of peakedness of the hump of the distribution. In general terms, the measure of cortices indicates whether the curve of a frequency distribution is flat or peaked.